And yes, I've got my own FITBALL. Look at it. Okay, and let's turn around in here and you can see the usage of this gym ball or FITBALL. And let's do this. And I'm going to tell you honestly, this creates your abs. So it's gonna be abs construction before summertime. So we're going to unbox it. So that's what we're going to see here. Yeah, you have this one for pumping on parts locking there. So ito yun. Ang hirap pala ng mag-unboxing na mag-isa pa. So I just locked it up. And taran! Ayan. Ito na yun. Hindi pa siya na-inflate ha. So I've got to show you it with lights. But we're going to see how we're going to do this one. But actually it depends with you. Depende sa'yo kung anong gagawin mo. But you have to be very careful. But I've been using this one for a very long time. Okay. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? You can do that. Here. That one. Those ones. If you're very fond of doing things like exercise or something like that, I'm giving you some tips. This is a very good one. Very, very good one for abs construction. And I'm going to show you a picture of that at this point with me. If you can balance the ball, then that's perfect. Yes, I've got one. And that's all. Thank you.